Hey everyone, so today I'm going to mod this Akko keyboard. This is the 3098B Retro, which honestly out of the box wasn't that bad to begin with. Let's get out our mat, there we go. Here's a quick sound test. Right, so like I said, out of the box it was not that bad to begin with. I've built and modded a few keyboards in the past, and I've had really good experiences with the Akko brand, from their keycaps to their switches, but this was the first board I've purchased from them. Now at the time of purchase, the only switches available were the jelly white linears. This was my first experience with them, and I will say they are super light, with an actuation force of 35 grams. So light, so squishy. So I wanted to change these out with the Radiant Reds. Still a linear switch, but with an actuation force of 53 grams, they're a bit heavier and more to my taste. Now this is one thing I love about this company. They make some pretty decent affordable products, and their packaging is always outstanding. I mean, look at these fellas. This is the part where I zone out with a stream or some music and regret once more my descent into the mechanical keyboard hobby, as I spend hours and hours lubing these switches individually. Enjoy. Oh, we're done? Oh, right. Let's just... Yeah. Great, now my favorite part. The keycaps. I swear Akko didn't sponsor this video. I went with the black and pink keycap set because, well, I just thought they were pretty. They have this nice soft pink alongside the matte black and deep gray, and with the retro beige case color, I thought they would really pop. I did some mods off camera. I installed some case foam and taped the back of the PCB. The stabilizers, however, didn't need much modding. They were pretty decent from the factory. And now a sound test.
No! Come to the claw.
Look, I'm sitting here like laughing at how ridiculous I am, but I'm like reading off of this screen making mistakes with my hand and then deleting those imaginary fucking mistakes that are definitely not happening.
That are definitely not happening.
You know, like,